Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your bank account in Binance, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on the screen, where you can see there is a wallets icon or wallets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallets icons on the screen. So let's tap on that wallets, and now you can see, and yeah, make sure you are in the overview section, and now you can see there is a buy crypto option at the middle of this screen, which is at the right side of this P2P option. So let's tap on that buy crypto, and now you can see there is a pay with, but before that you can see there is a buy USDT. So once you tap on it, you can change your crypto from here. And let's get back, and now let's tap on the pay with, and now you can see there is a two payment method. First one is card and another one is Apple Pay. So just tap on the card and now confirm it, and now you need to enter a amount, let's say 100 USD, and finally tap on the add new card. And yeah, you can add your bank account in here successfully. So once you complete your credentials, banking credentials, simply tap on the confirm, and yeah, you will be able to add your bank account in Binance app successfully. So basically this is how you can add your bank account in Binance app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.